So in the module A, we chose D as the first workstation, A as the second workstation, and we were talking about the third workstation. We ran out of time. I wanted to do only 15 minutes. That's the reason. So I'm going to continue in this. So let's talk about the workstation 3. So I'm going to start with, I think we looked at whether to take B or E, and we said, okay, let's go with B as the first task. The second task is going to be E. We talked about that as well. So that comes to 26 seconds. So going back, I chose B simply because not B and E has got, that's what we need to do after A and D. E can be chosen because it has got 15 seconds over B, which has got only 11 seconds. But B has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tasks ahead of it, whereas E has got only 1, 2, 3, 4 ahead of it. So by rule 2, we chose B. Okay? So we have B and E now. So let's do the next thing. The next one will be, if I look at C, H or I has got 2 tasks, whereas C has got 1, 2, 3 tasks. So I'm going to choose C. Again, using the rule 2. If the next thing is whether to use F or H. In fact, either one of them is good. I can choose H or I can choose F, because H has got, both of them have got the same number of tasks, time, as well as it has got the total. It has got only 2 tasks two following tasks on each one. So I can choose either H or F. I'm just going to choose F. Either one is correct. If I choose H also, it is correct, but I'm going to choose F. So I'm going to choose F. So this is my third workstation. Sorry. This is my third workstation. Okay. So third workstation consists of B, E, C, and F. I'm going to take the remaining ones. The remaining ones, H has got 12, I has got 12, so 24 seconds. G has got 12, 24 plus 12, 36 seconds. J has got 8, so 36 plus 8 is 44. I cannot add K because 44 plus 9 becomes 53, which is more than 50. So I cannot use that. So I'm going to limit myself to these 4. And this is my fourth workstation. So the fourth workstation consists of H, I, J, G, and J. And my fifth workstation is K. So I have 5 workstations now, okay, which is pretty cool. That is good enough for me. 5 workstations. Now, let's calculate the number of workstations, so the minimum number of workstations. The minimum number of workstations is, you have T, which is the total time. Total time is 45 plus 50 plus 11 plus 15 plus 9 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 8 plus 9. That is 195 seconds. That is the total time. So 195 seconds over the cycle time, which is 50 seconds, that comes to a minimum of 4 workstations. A minimum of 4 workstations. We have 5 workstations, so that is fine because minimum is 4, we have 5, so that is good. So we're going to go with 5 workstations, okay? Now let's calculate the efficiency. The efficiency basically is the total time divided by the minimum number of the number of workstations time the cycle time. The number of workstations we have is 5 and cycle time is 50. So the total time is 195. So that comes to 77%. So the efficiency of our work cell and assembly line is going to be 77%, and it has got, this assembly has got 5 workstations. So the first workstation is 45 seconds, which is A. The second workstation, or whichever it is, or D, is 50 seconds, or whichever it is, 1 or 2, that doesn't matter because these are independent of each other. And then the workstation 3 has got B, E, C, F. Workstation 4 has got H, I, G, and J. And the fifth workstation is K. Okay, so that's how you design the workstations. So after going through all these modules, make sure that you read the book chapter, and then do the in-class exercise, that is ICE, which is going to be an online exercise, and that online exercise is the next thing that you want to do. Okay, thanks for listening. We'll see you later. Bye.